What's good, everybody? This is A Change Gonna Come by Sam Cooke. So yeah, just wanted to, run this by you all. And is that the right name? Is it A Change Gonna Come? A Change Gonna Come? Gonna. I think that's the name. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And hope that this is a good explanation. And I'm gonna get straight to it. So the song is in B flat. Okay, and here's the B flat. Let me put on the right pickup. So I can also play it here. I do that for me, not just for y'all, okay? All right, so it's in the key of B flat. So there's the B flat major. And the chords are, let me make sure that I'm doing this right. I'm trying to bring some structure to this thing. All right. But yeah, we're gonna focus on the root real quick. So B flat. Let's bring this over a little taste. So we know that B flat is the root. That's the one or the tonic. Okay. So in the song we hear the there's the 2 right there. That actually falls on the C. And then it goes to the G. And it goes back to the 1 that's B flat. It's been a long... Hold on. Pass me that cigarette. Yeah. You know what? Never mind. I forgot I don't smoke. This is one of them songs you gotta have a cigarette with. You know what I'm saying? Anyhow, I'm being silly. Totally being silly. Yeah, so go back to B flat. Back to the C. Then you go to the 4, which is what's that? E flat. Then D. Back to G. That's it. There's literally, it loops that. And then for the bridge, it just hangs on that 2, which is C. Back to the 1. Go back to the 2. This is like the bass line. When I say the root, I'm talking about and it goes to the G, which is the 6. Back to the 2, that's C. Back to the G. It's gonna be C again, but it's a different type of chord. Then it's the 5, which is F. Now let's put some chords to it, okay? All right, so that's what that is. So now we're gonna do the chords. So it's basically a B flat major. That's the C minor. G minor. B flat major. C minor. Then E flat major, then D major. So it literally G minor, and back to the B flat major. Okay, that's it. For the bridge, it goes on that C minor, B flat major. Then it goes to the G minor. Then it goes back and forth between the C minor and the G minor again. Then it goes to the C major. And you can do a little, thing right there, a little fill if you want to. Then it goes to the F major. Okay, that's the whole song. All right. Now, if we want, we can kind of, fill it in with a few things. I got a little track here. So, when you play this song, you got to be able to feel something. I mean, my goodness, feel something. The melody. That's actually the bridge. Let me not play that on the wrong part. Okay. So let's do the chords over this. All right. It's the C minor, G minor or G minor 7, B flat major, those are the chords, the bridge. B flat major, C minor, G minor now, C minor, G minor, C major, so let's talk about those embellishments. So you all have seen me, I'll do a separate video about this, but anytime you're going from, well, just chromatically, anytime you hear the bass note kind of walk up chromatically between notes, a lot of times, not every time, just a lot of times, it's doing a diminished seventh chord a lot of times between that, or it works. Like sometimes they're just sliding the chord up, like sometimes they're doing that, but since it's going to a minor chord or a minor seventh chord, it's doing, so at least it works. That's what the bass player is doing. I don't know that the guitar player is really doing that, to be honest with you. I don't know that the strings are doing that. So I was born by the river in a little tent. That's cool. But if we can, in a little tent, that's like a cool little slide that you can do. But you don't have to do the full chord. So you can just play the triad, which is between the G and B string. We know that this is a B flat major. But play the triad. And then you're going to the, you're going to hammer on to the minor or minor seventh. The full diminished seventh on the B is this, but you want to just play the triad, okay? And slide into it. And you got to figure out what's comfortable for you, all right? So that's really what that is. And then if you're going That's also a slide opportunity. So that's a 7-1. So you playing that triad right here, and then go into the major chord, either here or here. All right. I mean, that's, pretty much it. And of course, with let me think. Of course, with the bridge, you're pretty much using some of the same rules, okay? Like if you're doing like a chromatic walk-up. The main chromatic walk-ups that I heard is between the 1 and 2, which it went from the 1, the flat 2, then to the 2, and then it also went from the 7 to the 1 as like a walk-up. That wasn't necessarily a chromatic walk-up, but it was going from the 6, 7, 1, or that like that, okay? So let me just do this part. I'm just playing to try it. Make sure my timing is good. I'm gonna walk up. That's it. I'm gonna slide it out now. My bad. Yeah, I mean, that's it. I pretty much know what I showed y'all. Same walk down. Add 9. And then when we play the 2 again, we're going to play a major chord. That's to the 5, the F major, and then just right now I'm just playing the melody. So it gives you an idea of where to play that, when you're playing the 6. You can just focus on that pentatonic. When you're playing the 6, that the G minor, this is where you will play your pentatonic in the very familiar pentatonic shape. Fits over that. Now you can play major pentatonic and you can play it in other places. Okay, so sorry, but just keep that in mind. In that G shape, that's a very familiar place to play. That's the place to play the pentatonic as far as what we're familiar with. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much the song. All right. And just wanted to share that with you. Someone requested it in the community thread. So if you all want to communicate, go to the community thread. Okay. The community, I call it our community forum. And just, drop a line. Hit the community link or visit community and drop a line right there. Okay. And I can If I have time, I'll share it. It'll be a very quick lesson, but I'll share it. All of the in-depth lessons are in the private community. All right. Just a quick note, but that's pretty much it. I hope that this was helpful, and I will see y'all next time. All right. Peace.